Alright, so I'm catching bluegills. Here they are. I'm using the bread trick, throwing little pieces of bread in the water using my ultralight. And that's what takes one of those pieces of bread. 7-8 pound catfish. Good fishing here under the dock. Okay, I cut some bluegills into little chunks here. We're going to do the old garlic versus non-garlic. And here, put some garlic. This is minced garlic out of the jar. I'm going to let it soak on there for a few minutes. And these don't have any garlic on them. They're just cut pieces of bluegill, or BREAM as they call them down here. They're a little bigger than bluegills. And I'm going to rig them up on the planer bobbers. Equal rods, equal bobbers, equal depth. And we're going to see what catches more. Garlic, non-garlic. Alright, let's see. Alright, fish on. This is the garlic enhanced bluegill. Well, that's a good one too. Woohoo! Fighting. Feels like a big one. Yee-hee-hee. I'm not gaining an inch on him. Just staying out there. Last night I caught a zombie catfish. I just noticed the rod just kind of dinking real lightly and came out here, reeled it in. It felt like there was a stick or some seaweed on there. And here's a, I don't know, 10-15 pound channel cat, and he'd wrapped himself all up in the line all the way up to the planer bobber. And I don't like where he's headed. And if I give him some slack, he'll go back out there with the tide. At any rate, the zombie channel cat. Uh-oh, he's headed for the pillars. There he is. Well, he's a big one. Zombie channel cat. Come in, he's all wrapped up in the line. Totally tied up. So I get him in here and I untangle him and he goes ballistic at the boat. He wasn't dead at all. I thought he was dead. Well, that's a good one there. Like 10-15 pounder. Enhanced garlic. Garlic bluegills. Yeah. Nice. Nice one. Around 10 pounds or so. There you go. Let's get that garlic back out there, huh? Garlic's winning so far.